We all know that not everyone arrives at a workshop grounded, centered, calm, and ready to engage. In fact, most people arrive at a workshop just a little bit frazzled. They're thinking about work back at the office, maybe things that happened in traffic or something that happened at breakfast. And in their mind is all of life. So one of the things I like to do to get people present to the session, present to the workshop, is a quick activity called Leave and Bring. And it happens in two parts. Part one is I invite people on their own to think about anything they need to leave at the door in order to be fully present in the workshop. And I invite them to jot it on a scrap of paper. They don't need to share it with anyone else, but jot down on a piece of paper, what is it that you need to leave at the door in order to be fully present today? I then give people an opportunity to share that into the room if they want to, although they don't have to. And then I gather up the pieces of paper, pop them in a basket, and literally take that basket outside of the room, put it out in the hallway. And I remind participants that if they want to pick that stuff up as they leave today, they're more than welcome to. But for now, those things are now outside the room. Part two, once we've decided what we're going to leave at the door, is we have a focus on what we want to bring to the room. And again, I give participants 60 seconds, maybe 90 seconds to think about what do they intentionally want to bring to the room? What mindset, what behavior, what characteristics do they want to embody? And this time, instead of putting it on a piece of paper and heading out to the hallway, I invite them to write it on a nameplate or a piece of card that we can then put in front of them so that everyone in the room can see what their intentions are for the day. I'm intending to be open-minded. I'm intending to ask curious questions. I'm intending to avoid saying, yeah, but. I'm intending to be the last to speak, not the first to speak. Whatever those intentions are become visible. They sit in front of the person, and we give permission for each of us to hold each other accountable if we feel like those intentions are not being met. Works really well with teams who know each other reasonably well, but works equally well with groups who are fresh to each other, provided you set it up well.